Hello, good afternoon to all. I'm Amrish Chaudhary and this is your chapter 5. This is industrial drives. So, what is the drives? You guys know about the industrial drives. So, either it may be AC drives or it may be DC drives. So, introduction and types of drives. So, come to the point, what is the AC drive and DC drives? So, classification of load, torque, and factor governing the selection of motor, and most application is that the application of motor for a different industrial drives. So there are different types of motors are there, and there are, all the motors are used in different application, different application we have. So come to the point, introductions. So electrical energy is finding an increasing application in industrial and commercial field. Electric drives for industrial purpose is now almost universal. That means electrical drives for industrial purpose is now almost universal system employed for motion control are called drives. Motion control is required in industrial as well as domestic applications like transportation system, rolling mills, paper mills, textile mills, machine tools, fans, pump, robot, washing machine, etc. So motion control may be translation, rotational, or combination of both. Generally, a drive system is basically has a mechanical load, a transmission system, and a prime mover. There are a number of inherent advantages that the electric drive possesses over other form of a conventional drive. It is cleaner, more easily controllable, and more flexible, with a greater advancement in the development of electric motors and control gear. The trend in the industry is towards an all electric drives. Types of drive system, there are two types of drives. We can consider as a mechanical drives, and another is called as electrical drives. So come to mechanical drives, either it may be diesel engine or it may be steam engine drives. Electrical drive, it may be AC drive and it may be DC drive. Come to this clear. Is it clear? So next come to electric drives. What is this electric drives? An electric drive can be defined as an electromechanical device for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy to impart motion to a different machine and mechanism for various kind of process control, a form of machine equipment designed to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy by providing electrical control of this process is called as electric drive system. So advantages of electrical drive. So what is this advantages? Advantages of electric drive. So flexible control characteristics to satisfactory of load characteristics. Starting and braking is easy and simple. They are available in wide range of torque, speed and power. Both AC and DC motor works to almost any type of environmental condition. No exhaust gas emitted. Capable of operating a all 4-quadrant torque speed plane. That means 4 quadrant. We have a first, second, third, fourth quadrant torque speed plane. Can be started and accelerated at very short time. They have high efficiency, no load loss, high overloading capacity. This is the advantages of electrical drive. Okay, so choice of what is the choice of electrical drives? So choice of electrical drive, the choice of electrical drive depends on the number of factors. Some factors are steady state operation requirement, that is nature of speed torque characteristics, speed regulation, speed range, efficiency, duty cycle, quadrant of operation, speed fluctuation, rating, etc. This is called as a steady state operation requirement. Transient operation requirement. What is this transient operation requirement? Values of acceleration and deceleration, starting and braking and speed reversing. Requirement source. What is the requirement source? Types of source, its capacity, magnitude of voltage, power factor, harmonic, etc. Capital and running cost and maintenance needs, lifespan. Space and weight restriction, environmental and location, reliability. Okay, so drive system. What is this drive system actually? Source, power modulator, motor, load, sensing unit, control unit. This is the called as a drive system. Okay, so we need a drive system. Source is mandatory, power modulator is mandatory, electrical machine is mandatory, control unit is mandatory, sensing unit is mandatory. So this is the block diagram of drive system. So source means where this is the source, either maybe voltage or current source of generation source. Power modulator to input to motor is connected to the load is sensing unit. Power modulator, in power modulator we have to control the unit, input command. Okay, that is called as a drive system. So basically electrical drives has following major parts: source, power modulator, electrical machine or motor and loads, control unit and sensing unit. So come to the power source. What is this power source? The power source provides the energy to the drive system. It may be DC or AC. Power modulator or converter. The converter interfaces the motor with the power source and provides the motor with an adjustable voltage, current and frequency. During transient periods such as starting, braking and speed control reversal, it is restricted to source and motor current within a permissible limit. Also the converter converts the electrical waveform into a required signal that required the motor. Types of modulator. What is the types of modulator? Control rectifier, inverter, DC to DC, AC voltage regulator, DC chopper, cyclo converter. Okay, a motor. What is the motor? Its control have to be selected to a switch the given power supply and drive the load. The motor may be selected as per the requirement. Most commonly used electrical machine are following: DC machine, AC machine, special machine. DC machine is coming under sound series compound separately excited DC motor and switch reluctance machine. AC machine, induction, wound rotor, synchronous, PM synchronous, okay, and synchronous reluctance machine. Special machine. What is a special? So special machine, brushless DC motor, stepper motor, switch reluctance motor are used. So these are the used in electrical machine in our industry drives, industry purpose, you can say. So load. What is this load? The mechanically load usually called as a machinery, and it is designed to accomplish a special task. There is pump, fan, robot, machine tools, trains and drills, etc. That is called as a load. Control unit. What is this control unit? Control unit control the function of power modulator. The nature of control unit for a particular drive depends on the type of power modulator used. When semiconductor converters are used, the control unit will consist of firing circuit. Microprocessor also used when sophisticated control is required. Sensing unit. What is the sensing unit in the block diagram? Sensing unit consists of a speed sensor or current sensor. The sensing speed is required to implementation of closed loop speed control schemes. Speed is usually sensing using a tachometer coupled to the motor shaft. The current sensing is required for the implementation of current limit control. So this is about the sensing unit. And come to the another topic, that is drives. So I already told that in electrical two types of drives are there. One is AC, another is DC. Okay, so both DC and AC is used for electric drives. Use of DC is limited on account of permissible voltage drop in feeder, but DC systems are still in use for many reasons. The AC system is preferred because it is cheaper. AC system is preferred because it is cheaper. It can be easily transmitted with low lines losses. In split of advantages of AC motor, sometimes DC motor is used because in some process such as electrochemical and battery charging, DC is the one of only the type of power that is suitable. The speed control of DC motor is easy rather than AC. Thus, for a variable speed application such as lift and Leonard system, the DC motor are preferred. The DC series motor is suited for traction work because of high starting torque. Okay. Comparison between the AC and DC drives. What is the comparison? What actually happened? So it is DC drives. It is costly, bulky, and heavy due to the presence of commutator. This is the one point, because commutator is a device which can convert AC to DC. Maintenance required is more due to commutator, because commutator consists of number of commutating segments, and each segment are having two hemispherical copper segments separated by a insulating material that is called as a mica. It is not suitable for every location. DC drive is not suitable for every location. The use of power converter is less costly and simple. Poor power factor and high harmonic distortion of current, that is called as DC drive. And what are the AC drives? It is a cheap. Less maintenance is required. It is suitable for every location. The power converter is costly and design is complex. Better power factor for non-regenerative drives. Regenerative drives, non-regenerative drives. So better power factor for non-regenerative drives. Types of electrical drives. So electrical drives may be grouped into three categories: group drives, individual drives, and multi-motor drives. So what is actually group drives? Group means we can say that group of peoples. Similarly here, like group drives and individual drives, individual peoples, group of peoples, individual peoples, multi-motor drives. So you can first we will see here group drives. What is this group drives? So group drives a single motor. That means a single motor drives a number of machines through a belt from a common shaft. Because shaft is common to, suppose 5 motors are in a single motor drives, 5 machines are connected. A single motor drives the 5 machine with a single shaft. That is called as a group drives. It is also called as a line shaft drives. Got my point? In group drives, a single motor drive a number of machines through a belt from a common shaft. Shaft is common to all the machines. It is also called line shaft drive. It is also called as line shaft drives. So come to group drives. What is group drives? Here you can see here the machine 1, machine 2 and machine 3, machine 4 is there, and this one is the M1. So common one motor is connected to a single 4 machine for a drives.